Hi friends, jump into channel once again. Now we are going to discuss very important topic problem related to AMTI, and it is very important for Olympiads and competitive examinations. Okay, so now AMTI fifth part, which is very important for Olympiads and competitive examinations. So far what we have done are most important for competitive examinations and Olympiads. See, today now we are going to analyze a problem along with solution which is related to binary, special kind of binary operation. So far we have done some problems related to binary operation. You can check it also. Now, given A star B is called A plus B minus AB, if this is possible 2 star 3 star x is called 2 star of 3 star x, then we have to determine the value of x. So given binary operation, and here some condition is given, with that we have to get the value of x. So without doing late, we'll jump into our problem. Okay, so now this is our question and solution follows. So now consider A star B is equal to A plus B minus AB. This is a defined binary operation over the variables A and B. Consider LHS now. What is our LHS? 2 star 3 star x. This is our LHS. So in this we have to consider the bracket 1 according to Bodmer's rule, as we know very well. So therefore 2 star 3, nothing but here A is 2 and B is 3. So substitute here. So nothing but I can write here 2 plus 3 minus 2 into 3. Nothing but here you are going to get, here 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 minus 6 nothing but 2 star 3 is equal to minus 1. Okay, after doing the simplification. Next, here if you consider LHS, or total LHS is nothing but LHS part I am doing now. So 2 star 3 star x. So according to our 2 star 3 value is nothing but minus 1. So minus 1 star x. This I have been substituted. So now this minus 1 will act as A and x will act as B here. So A is minus 1, B is x. Don't get confused here. Nothing but here I can write this implies. So which is equal to, according to our definition again, minus 1 plus x, minus of minus 1 into x. So please be aware of this step, okay, because minus signs. Now here minus 1 plus x plus minus in minus plus 1 into x is x. So finally 2x minus 1. Hence our 2 star 3 star x is nothing but finally 2x minus 1. Mark as equation number 1 here, this one. So far we have been completed our this LHS part. In the same way we are going to consider our RHS. Okay, so now RHS is nothing but here, what is our RHS? 2 star of 3 star x. Again according to Bodmer's rule we have to consider the bracket 1. So therefore now 3 star x, again A is 3, B is x. So 3 plus x minus 3 into x. So 3 here, this is nothing but x minus 3x is minus 2x. So this is nothing but here the value of 3 star x is 3 minus 2x. So now I am doing that side here. So therefore I can write here nothing but 2 star of 3 star x is 2 star of, what is our 3 star x is nothing but 3 minus 2x. So please viewers, don't get confused here. So this have been substituted. Now this is in the form of A star B, where A is our 2 and B is our 3 minus 2x. Okay. So now RHS, this part I am going to consider simplifying. So now A plus B minus AB, no. So 2 plus 3 minus 2x. So A plus B minus AB minus 2 into 3 minus 2x. So 5 minus 2x, 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 2x minus 6 plus minus in minus plus 2 2s are 4x. So finally I can write here, considering the like terms, 4x minus 2x is 2x and 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So this implies our RHS part is nothing but again here 2x minus 1. So label as equation 2. Okay. So now let us write the main steps. So therefore now 2 star 3 star x is equal to 2 star of 3 star x. So according to our equation 1, first equation we got here 2x minus 1. Again here the definition according to that RHS I have been simplified and done here 2x minus 1. So many of the students will do up to here, and by seeing the steps, okay, they will get panic because our intention is to find out the value of x. So here LHS and RHS we got the same expression. So please viewers, look over here very carefully, don't be panic. What did you observe here? Whatever the value of x you are going to consider LHS, since the expressions are same LHS and RHS, you are going to get the same x values. Nothing but the solution set is capital R, nothing but real numbers. So the solution set is real numbers, nothing but whatever the x you are going to consider, you are going to get LHS and RHS the same value. There is no particular value, each and every value of x will satisfy this one. Okay. So now this is our 2 star 3 is equal to minus 1 I got here, and this is our LHS part. And this is nothing but our 3 star x is equal to 3 minus 2x, and this one, and this is our RHS. So therefore equation 1 and 2 I have written here by 1 comma 2. By 1 comma 2 I have written this one, this part substituted. Okay. So like this, this is a special kind of binary operation. Okay, once you consider this one totally. Like this, every video and every problem has its own importance. I think so you felt good. Okay, so don't be panic. Special kind of binary operation on numbers, very important for RRB, SSC and various competitive examinations, and right from 7th to 10th standard. Also this type of problems are important. Okay, so this is a non-routine problem for related to binary operations for various competitive examinations. So now with the given sum, I want to extend my concept here. So if you observe the previous one, I can say that the given definition of star here, A star B is called A plus B minus AB, is nothing but the binary operation star is associative. So you might know very well that in the 6th to 8th, 9th standard or 10th standard, whatever it may be. Okay, so A star of B star C is equal to A star B star C, where star is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You have been learned in numbers, at the same time matrices and sets in the college level. So now here star is associative. So that have been derived with a given definition. So this is nothing but our, I have been consider our LHS. So LHS here. So after simplifying the LHS, here I got the steps like this. So this is nothing but equation 1. If you go through the steps, easily you can understood. Previously we have gone through the variable x and the numbers. Okay, here totally with the variables ABC. Now this is nothing but our second equation. So now this is our RHS. So equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, So from 1 and 2 we got the same expressions, a plus b plus c minus ab minus bc minus ca plus abc here and this one. Okay, so now I can say that the star is associative. From 1 and 2 we can conclude. So once you have the total look of this part also. So like this, every problem and every video has its own importance, concepts. So please viewers, follow the videos and get the concepts. Okay, and thanks for watching and following. See you in the next video session. Bye.